Dye ground coffee and yogurt face the scrub. You can also use a combination of the ground coffee and yogurt to add a glow to your skin. This mask is particularly good for those who have oily skin. Here, how to do: 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt to it. Put 1 tablespoon of the grounded coffee in a bowl. Mix the ingredient to quickly to remove any lump and get a smooth paste. Your coffee ground and yogurt face scrub is ready for use. Hope you will weather the drawings. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.